Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well then, ladies and gentlemen, I'll try to introduce the new software that is called Aurality, oral reading and oral writing literacy. This is the performance of the software or authoring tools for the method. We can start to operate the software by clicking the start button like this, and you go to the page of getting started of Aural, and you can go to the menus on the top part of the authoring tools. We can try to explore from install and go to text to speech, speech to text, machine translation. The three machines are the main tools to also called run the method. So how do we do is the manual for oral reading, oral writing, and smart translating. And then in apply, you can go practicing the oral reading, oral writing, and smart translating. Approaches is the approaches which are used to write. First is the genre-based, that is usually used by the teachers and students in Indonesia. And then process-based, that is the approach that is used specially to produce books and novel or something creative writing. And then genre process-based is the mix or combination of the both approaches that will be used here. But to know what genre process-based is, you have to know what is genre-based and what process-based is. And go to pre-writing. There are 13 genres that is learned by teachers and students of Indonesia. If we go to, for instance, descriptive, we go to manual, and if there's no picture here, we can click refresh. If there is no precise appearance of the PDF, just to resizing like this. There's also important notice: if PDF doesn't appear precisely, resize the dialog by dragging the sides. Okay. Now we can close the dialog and we go to drafting. Drafting here, we can try to use descriptive. In descriptive, we have some information button here that we should click in the first time, like this. For instance, title, write your descriptive text title, then click the triangle button to enter the text into the writing products. Shortly, every form for inputting text here can be clicked, and then we can write here or copy paste the material that is that's been written orally in other authoring tools. And then after that, we can click the triangle button and everything will be written in the writing product. And after that, the writing can be saved in a folder with the specific name, and then it can be opened. And then open means that Microsoft Word will open that, and then further editing and revising can be done. In load mean the text that is being saved can be loaded again to this space. Now we will have a little practice from installing. If we go to installing for text-to-speech, just click this. Make sure that Chrome is your default browser. Go to Read Aloud Web, then click Add to Chrome, then add its extension to install Read Aloud to do oral reading. installing is only one, except you uninstall it, then you can reinstall. Okay, if we click no, back to Aurali, but we will go to, yes, you go to read aloud. Yeah. And here, because I've installed the read aloud, so the button here is removed from Chrome. Everything that is been installed is sticked on the top bar like this one. So go to install the special text. The same step has been performed here. Go to yes, and then yeah, we can go here. Have to make sure that it's performed here. Yeah, no, because it's also been installed, so there's remove from Chrome button, not add to Chrome. But if you've installed, there will be icon like this in your Chrome. Right, again, the last is installing the machine translation. I think everybody is familiar with this kind of machine, Google Translation, the very powerful machine. Yeah, unfortunately, I've installed all three of the tools that is used. I mean, those are used in this method, but it's very easy. You can just click the install button and then go to add to Chrome, something like that, and everything will be okay. Then how to do oral reading. Yeah, I've given a manual for doing the oral reading. If the performance is like this, you just click refresh. Yep, and if it doesn't appear precisely, you can go resize a little like this. Now you can read the manual of how to read aloud here. So we can do a lot of things, not only, for instance, taking a rest or doing cutting the vegetables or frying tempe goreng, something like that. But while you're doing that, you can read aloud everything from website, information in ebook or a book or another thing. So your time will be very useful because you can do reading auditorily, or what we call orality. Orality mean using our ear to read. Okay, then close the dialogue and let's have a practice of drafting. Before drafting, we go to pre-writing, but in drafting here, if you go to learn, it means that you're preparing something. We go to descriptive drafting. It means that you are planning to write descriptive text. Now go to learn or go to pre-writing in descriptive. This is the same page. Take a look at this. Yes. This is like this, resizing a little, like that. Or we go to learn. It will ease the user of this authoring tool so that while they are preparing the writing, they can learn about the genre they want to write. For instance, here in descriptive text, yep, you can track like this if you need that the page should be larger, right? And so reading by the social function. Then okay, we go here. Yeah, now we can start to practice drafting. So if you want to practice drafting, go first to apply oral writing. Yes, start oral writing. Hopefully everything will be done very well. Yeah, okay. We can delete this and then start to I have to show you that there is microphone, yeah, and I have to show you in this like this. Now after this microphone has been read, you can see the writing here. Yeah, okay, I'll show you this microphone and so on and so on. Okay, yep. Let's go to, yes, Aural here. This is a very short example. This microphone like this. Okay, we can copy and pasting from here. Yeah, yeah. For instance, like this. Every time you find that the performance of the video doesn't appear also called precisely or in exact place, you can resize. Okay, now I go here and then Control V to paste and make sure that okay, click the triangle button, yes, like this. Yeah, and after that we can save. Do you want to save your work? Yes. It means that the writing has been saved in an RTF file. You can go to the place, yeah, in your My Documents, and then every time you install the application, there's been created a folder, Aurally, and then 13 subfolders containing the 13 genres. And this is in folder 1, descriptive, and inside the folder there is one Aurally descriptive. Now if we double click this, yes, this is the performance of the RTF file in Microsoft Word, and you can have further editing and revising. We touch a little, for instance, giving the title in the center, and then the size of the fonts, yeah, in 12, and then we save, yes, here, okay, and close. Now we've done further editing and revising, and after that we can publish that. But if we have not finished with our work, we can reload. Yes, And here, now click. Do you want to load your recent work? Reload here. Yes. You can see this microphone has been edited to be the thick title. This is it, and then you can go to maximize. Yeah, okay, or minimize, or okay, restore. Like this, then there are 13 genres that you can choose for your draft of writing, and every genre has been completed with the input text form like this, and then the features of learn, save, open, and load is very useful for teachers and students of English who want to write, and then after, of course, having a good reading habit, especially using the oral reading. That's it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh, I'm sorry. There is contact. This is me, Mampuono. And then also you can join 1 and join 2 for English teacher, joining Telegram group for English teachers, and join 2 joining Telegram group for non-English teachers. Hopefully that in the Telegram group we can share everything there and learn together. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.